Are you experiencing frame rate drops, stuttering, or low resolution while gaming on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart PS5. To fix frame rate drops, stuttering, or low resolution on PS5, first restart your device. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power. Choose Restart PS5 or similar option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Check the HDMI cable. Ensure the HDMI and power cables are securely connected between your PS5 and the TV or monitor. Loose connections can cause issues with display quality. Sometimes the HDMI port on your TV or monitor can be faulty. Try connecting your PS5 to a different HDMI port. The HDMI cable itself might be defective. Use a different HDMI cable to see if it resolves the issue. Method 3. Change the video transfer rate. The next thing you should do is change the video transfer rate. To do that, open Settings. Select Screen and Video option. Then select Video Output. Try selecting a lower video transfer rate if available. Method 4. Tweak Settings. The next thing you can do is tweak few settings. Navigate to PS5 Settings, go to Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Select Resolution and try out a lower resolution. Next, you can turn off the Variable Refresh Rate or VRR. Next, enable the 120Hz video output for games that support 120Hz frame rate. If that doesn't work for you, you can turn it off. Scroll down and next turn off the HDR. Turning off HDR during games on your PS5 can sometimes improve your gaming experience. HDR can add a small amount of input delay which might affect fast-paced competitive games. Turning off HDR can help reduce stuttering and improve responsiveness. Method 5. Update firmware. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 Settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 6. Test on another TV or monitor. If possible, connect your PS5 to a different TV or monitor. If the performance improves on the other display, the issue is likely with the original TV or monitor. Connect another device or another console or a PC to your TV or monitor using the same HDMI cable and port. If the other device also has display issues, it confirms the problem is with the TV or monitor. Method 7. Change display area. Navigate to Settings, then go to Screen and Video. Then select Screen. Then select Adjust Display Area. Now adjust the display area and check. Method 8. Check for overheating issues. You should also check that the PS5 console is not overheated. You should keep your PS5 well ventilated, open area with at least 4 inches of space around it, away from enclosed spaces and heat sources. You can position it either vertically or horizontally on a stable surface without blocking the vents. Regularly clean the exterior with a dry cloth and use compressed air for the vents. Avoid stacking items on the top of the console and monitor for unusual fan noises. Reaching out to Sony support if needed. Maintain a cool temperature and consider using a cooling stand for better airflow. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you were experiencing frame rate drops, stuttering, or low resolution while gaming on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.